look at this picture and please ask yourself, which 60-year-old do you want to be? The one on the right side, right? Having fun, happy, active. Dr. Jan McBride from Optimal Life Medical Youth Maintenance is here today to talk about aging and the effects of anti-aging medicine. She can help you look 10 to 15 years younger. Dr. McBride, it's always a pleasure to have you here in Low Country Live.
Thank you.
So we saw the picture. Everyone wants to look like the ones on the right, and you do a lot of this with anti-aging medicine. Tell me what that involves.
Right. Well, obviously the difference between the couples is the one on the right is on anti-aging medicine. And I like to separate it into hormones, face, body, skin, and hair.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of treatments for all of these. Hormones are most important because the decline in hormones when you're around 35 is what causes aging in your body.
Okay.
So restoring your hormone balance to that of a 35-year-old, even if you're 60, it helps your body start functioning that way again.
Now, is this something, you said 35, should people go and see you right at 35? I imagine the sooner you do it, the better result.
True. I mean, you can wait until you start feeling symptoms, but a lot of people like to use some of these treatments even when they're younger.
Sure.
For example, the facial treatments. We talked about the last time the using your blood plasma and platelets.
Yeah, and that's what we're looking at right there. Tell me a little bit more. That's amazing, the difference in those photos.
Yeah, well, we use that as a permanent filler for the
Okay.
face, and it helps recreate the collagen that you've lost. And some people will start seeing this when they're in their early 40s and even younger. People like to use this. It's non-surgical, it's safe, it's and it's permanent.
And I think the key words, yeah, non-surgical and permanent, are appealing to so many people out there. So that's for the face. What other options do you have, overall?
Okay, well, other things for the face are, of course, the synthetic fillers and Botox. We provide that, and those are temporary, though.
Okay.
Then the surface of the face, we do micropeel, which is a combination of microdermabrasion and a chemical peel. Now, that helps the surface, where it helps the fine lines, the pigmentation, and it brings new skin cells to the surface.
Okay.
Additionally, on the surface, there's something called a dermal microneedle, and that helps with deep wrinkles and scarring.
Okay.
So there are those treatments.
Okay.
Then when we get to the body, some people need to lose weight. There's a wonderful medical weight loss program that uses HCG, and that's actually iLipo that I'm going to get to.
Okay.
Let's talk about iLipo. iLipo is a great treatment. We have the one treatment availability in the Charleston area.
Okay.
It's a laser, painless, non-surgical, that helps those little pockets of fat that most people have in their body somewhere that you
Kinda
just
creep up on
you can't
you.
get rid of it,
Yeah,
even with
sure.
exercise, with diet, and it's painless, non-surgical. And I'm going to be offering a free iLipo treatment to the listeners.
Oh, that's great. So,
Yes.
and there's the information right there in your free iLife. We'll talk more
Right.
about that at the end, but that's great. People can go to a consult, get a free.
Come try it out. Let's show you how you can get rid of some of that fat.
I know. So you've got the face, you've got the body, and I also want to talk on men, or women too, but there's a treatment that you have for hair.
Men, yes, for hair. I mean, men benefit from the hormone treatments, and a lot of them like to do some of the facial treatments. But for the hair, we can help restore hair that's been lost, and that's using the same plasma and platelets that we do on the face. When you place it in the scalp, it helps revitalize dormant follicles and can cause regrowth of hair. And with women that lose the hair, it's 100% effective. With men, they're more complicated because there's hormones involved, so they need additional consultation and evaluation and treatment, but that's all included in the package where we can give them some hope to regrowing some hair.
That's great. I'm sure you have said so much, and your pictures are so powerful. I'm sure people listening, there's something that's spoken to you out there, something that you feel like you need. So how do people choose, what's the best option for them?
Well, come in for a free consultation and we can go over what your goals are, what options you have, and I'm starting a new program because you can imagine a lot of people can use a lot of different treatments. And there's the hormone treatment that most people can benefit from.
Yeah, so this is called the Forever Young Club. Tell me more
Forever
about
Young
that.
Club is where you pay over a 6-month period a monthly membership fee, and many of these treatments you get free. And you can think about the iLipo, each treatment is one certain area, so you might want to do more than one area.
Okay.
Laser hair removal, the same, and you can get these for free when you're in the club.
So you're like a miracle worker. Pretty
Well,
much.
I like to be. I want to make everybody younger.
Pretty much. You're going to look awesome after you go see her. You mentioned earlier your free offer that you have coming up.
Yes,
Where can people
as
go
an-
for more information and get info on that offer?
Go to the website or call the office and we'll set you up for an appointment. We also now have a Goose Creek location.
Cool.
So we're in Mount Pleasant and Goose Creek, so whichever's closer to you, and you can come in and get your free treatment and get a consultation and see what else you might want to do.
All right. And where can people go for more information? Your website again?
optimalyouth.com.
All right. Optimal Life Medical Youth Maintenance, serving Charleston, Mount Pleasant, and you said new location as
Goose
well.
Creek.
Goose Creek.
That's
Thank
right.
you so much for being here. Such great information. Get your introductory free offer while it's out there, and we've got much more to come right here on Low Country Live, so stay with us.